connect KuCoin to Google Authenticator. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can connect your KuCoin to Google Authenticator. So to connect your KuCoin to your Google Authenticator, here's our step by step how you can do that. So first of all, you have to visit to your KuCoin website, or you can log into you have to log into your account with using your credential. So there you have to navigate to your account security setting. So you have to click on your profile icon, which is on the top right corner of the page. Then you have to select your account security from the drop down menu. So in the account security section, you have to locate the two-factor authentication option. Then you have to select that. So you have to click on set or enable next to the Google Authenticator. So if you haven't already downloaded the Google Authenticator app, then you have to download it from your Google Store for Android or Apple Store for iOS. Then you have to scan your KU coin, which will display a QR code on the screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device, and you have to tap on the plus button icon and select the scan a QR code. Then you can use your phone to scan the QR code display on the KU coin website. So the KU coin will also provide a secret key. After scanning the QR code, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code from the KU coin. You have to enter that 6-digit coin in the provided field on the KU coin website. So there you have to click on submit or complete the setup, and you have so the KU coin may ask you to enter your login password or email verification code to finalize the process. Once you have completed the process, the Google Authenticator will be successfully connected to your KU Coin account. So with the help of this process, you can easily connect KU Coin to your Google Authenticator. So you have to make sure that you have to download the Google Authenticator app on your device. Then you can easily connect the KU Coin on your Google Authenticator. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.